Welcome to the Student Transcript Portal video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to register students using the bulk upload. This uses the Excel template to load students for a particular subject area and a class. The user is required to log in. After successful login, on the left side of the screen, there is a navigation menu. Under the navigation menu, select Student Transcript Portal. Click on Register Student. On the student registration form, click on Download Template. Open the template file. Enable editing if your system blocks that, and enable the macros to allow validation of various fields. Each and every field, once selected, provide a tooltip defining the validation rules that governs that field. So for example, the surname, the validation is a minimum of 3 characters. So I enter a surname. The first name has something similar. So on selecting each and every field, look out for the validation rule provided by the tooltip. This validation rule is either M or F for male and female, respectively. After completing the file, save the file. Come back to the application, select the learning area. I'm choosing science, then the class, science 1. Then I go and choose the file that I just filled. Then I click on the upload button. Imported successfully. So this is how we register students using the bulk upload. Thank you.